Hello students, welcome back in class 2nd, subject Environmental Studies, and in last video we have completed our lesson number 14, plants and their parts. And now in this video we are going to solve the exercise of this lesson. So let's get started. First question is fill in the blanks. First one, dash absorb water from soil. Dash absorb water from soil. The answer is roots. Roots absorb water from soil. Second one, a dash is called the kitchen of the plants. A dash is called the kitchen of the plants, and the answer is leaf. A leaf is called the kitchen of the plant. Third one, dash grow into new plants. Dash grow into new plants, and the answer is seeds. Seeds grow into new plants. Next one, dash is the most beautiful part of the plant. Dash is the most beautiful part of the plant, and the answer is flower. Flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. Now let us see one more time. Roots absorb water from soil. A leaf is called the kitchen of the plants. Seeds grow into new plants. Flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. Next question, state true or false. First one, a stem of a plant is found above the ground. Stem of a plant is found above the ground. And this sentence is true. Yes, stem of a plant is found above the ground is true. Next one, seeds are found on the leaves. Seeds are found on the leaves, and this sentence is false because seeds are found in fruits. Seeds are found in fruits. So, seeds are found on the leaves. It is false. Next sentence, neem tree is a water plant. Neem tree is a water plant. And this sentence is also false because neem tree is a land plant, not water plant. So, this sentence is false. Next one, pea plant is a climber. Pea plant is a climber, and this sentence is true. Yes, pea plant is a climber. It is true. Let us see one more time. Stem of a plant is found above the ground. True. Seeds are found on the leaves. False. Neem tree is a water plant. False. Pea plant is a climber. True. Now let us see the next question. Give two examples of each. Water plants. Lotus, duckweed. See students, here you can write any other name of any water plant. No need of writing the same. You can change. You can write pondweed also. I have given lotus and duckweed. Next one, desert plants. Cactus and babool. Cactus, babool. Land plants. Mango tree and rose plant, or you can write tree, shrub or herbs. So let us see one more time. Water plants, lotus, duckweed. Desert plants, cactus, babool. Land plants, mango tree, rose plant, or you can write tree, shrub or herb. Now let us see the next question. Answer the following. First one, what are land plants? What are land plants? And the answer is plants that grow on land are called land plants. Plants that grow on land are called land plants. Next question, what are water plants? The answer is plants that grow in water are called water plants. Plants that grow in water are called water plants. Now let us see the next question. Write the functions of the following. Write the functions of the following. Roots. Roots absorb water from soil. Roots absorb water from soil. Roots hold and fixes plant in the soil. What is the function of roots? Roots absorb water from soil. Roots hold and fixes plant in the soil. Stem. A stem is present above the ground. It holds the plant upright. Or you can write, stem carries food and water to the parts of the plant. Okay. You can write, stem is present above the ground. It holds the plant upright and it carries the food and water to the parts of the plant. Next one is leaves. So what is the function of leaf? Leaves make food for plant. Leaves make food for plant and they are called the kitchen of the plant. Leaves make food for the plant and they are called the kitchen of the plant. Next one, flowers. Flowers makes fruits. Or flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. Or you can write, flowers make seeds also. Flowers makes seeds or flowers makes fruits and it is the most beautiful part of the plant. Now next question. Fruits. Here you have to write the function of fruits. So what is the function of fruit? They store food so they can be eaten raw. Fruits store food so they can be eaten raw. Raw matlab कच्चा. Fruits में food store होता है, that is why we can eat them raw. And they contain seeds. Fruits के अंदर seeds भी होते हैं. The next function we have to write is seeds. Seeds store food and seeds grow into new plants. Seeds store food and seeds grow into new plants. So students, what we have learned from this lesson? Plants are found on land and in water. Mango tree, tomato plant, pea plant and spinach are land plants. Lotus, pondweed, duckweed are water plants. Babul and cactus are desert plants, and parts of the plants like fruits, flower, leaf, stem, root and seeds. And we have also learned the functions of these parts of the plant. And now in this video we have solved the exercise of this plant. So you are going to write this exercise in your classwork book with neat and clean handwriting, and in your homework book you are going to draw the parts of a plant. You have to draw and you are going to label the parts of the plant. Okay? And we will meet in the next video with the new lesson. Till then, bye.